EA640C3 Rental LED Screen supports all 320 by 160mm LED modules, which are super common and widely used. Thanks to quick locks and positioning balls on both sides, the screen is flatter and much easier to set up or take down. The cabinet is well thought out, with handy details like a sturdy handle, fast locks, fixed slots, a back cover rotary switch, and power and signal connectors that make setup smoother. IT heat dissipating design, so it stays cool, stays quiet, and works great even outdoors. The die-cast aluminum frame is corrosion resistant and built to handle tough outdoor conditions. With an IP65 waterproof and dust-proof rating, the high-precision LED panels allow for seamless image and video splicing, giving you a stunning, immersive viewing experience. And with a wide 140 degrees viewing angle both vertically and horizontally, you get clear, natural visuals from almost any direction.